Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Saturday. It's the weekend. No, a couple days ago, I finally moved out of storage. Really excited to have everything and everyone, my plant babies, home, but nothing is in its place. Like, I've just been doing nothing since I finished the move. I've just been exhausted. But the place is looking like we just moved in again, and I need to get everything in its place and put away. I just don't know if that's gonna happen today. But I did put my mirror in place. You guys can see it looks so good. It's like it was meant for that little corner. Oh, my battery's gonna die, hold on. Yeah, I just don't know if it's gonna happen today. Today what I would like to do is, I just got a couple packages. May as well unbox them with you. Both packages I ordered, actually paid for my own money. This first one is from Amazon. So there were a couple of videos a while back that you all noticed I was wearing a strap on my arm. I think I did a haul video and also possibly my Black women moving to Canada video. I had the strap on. Well, you guys know I sold my house in October, 5 months already. Sold my house end of October, and I've been sort of on the go, still working, but with no furniture, specifically no desk. And so I gave myself tennis elbow without playing tennis. I was in a lot of pain just from like awkwardly working on the bed, awkwardly working on the couch, like just always awkwardly working. So I ordered this for myself. I have since gotten a desk. I just haven't bought a desk chair yet. That's in the mail. But I also ordered this for myself from Amazon. It is a laptop tray, or yeah, bed tray, bed desk. So now I can sit in bed and edit with my arm on a perfect 90-degree angle without causing further damage to the nerves in my forearm. I got this one in particular because of the width. A lot of them I found were too small for a laptop and to move a mouse around. So I like that this one is wide enough to, you know, move the mouse around as well. And it has a little cup holder, and it even has a little, what's this thing, like a iPad stand or tablet stand. Perfect, okay? Amazon, link below. And next, oh, these are the t-shirts that I ordered. Yay, guys. Okay, let me show you what I got. Okay, a couple of t-shirts that I ordered from my t-shirt shop. I actually ordered a couple for half as well because I made a couple new designs. Some I immediately thought of her, and of course some I thought of me, but let me just show you what I got. So this first one is for half because her favorite show is Friends. So I designed this tee. It's like a play on Friends, but of course a little nod to my Jamaicans. We don't call each other friends. We say I'm a little brethren that. You understand? So I did it in the Friends font with the little dots in between. I got her this in the gray color. I think this is cute because she has a lot of black t-shirts already, so I got gray. And then I also got her this t-shirt because she is a braider, mobile stylist. So I designed this t-shirt, and it's got obviously a braid up on it. This is actually one of my favorite styles to get from her, which is the fishbone cornrows. So I thought that was really cute. She could wear that to like work or something. A new t-shirt color just dropped called Latte, which I love so much. So I wanted to order one of my designs on this color. And I also got this boxy tee. If you guys can see, oh, you already know what it is. It's my love. Okay, Bob Marley. This is when he was like 19. This is his passport picture, his original Jamaica passport picture. I love this picture of him. And I love this new color latte. It's so cute. So this is for me, obviously. I thought that was mad cute. And then I also got myself this t-shirt, which is Hey, 401 East, my Toronto girlies. If you know, you know. Okay, this is our major highway. I think this highway is actually in the Guinness Book of World Records for either the longest highway or like something. I don't know, girl. But anyways, the 401 is our major highway in Canada. I'm an East End girl, so I had got 401 East, but I do have this in 401 West as well. Represent my direction, you know what I'm saying? So these are the new t-shirts I ordered. I'm super happy about it. I love them all. I think these are so cute. If you're interested in placing an order, I will put the entire shop on sale starting now. So you can grab t-shirts for like 25% off. Actually, I think everything will be marked down, like hoodies, tanks, whatever you want. And you can check out all my new designs, link down below. So I'm gonna get dressed for the day. I think what I'm gonna do is go and visit the nieces. It is Saturday. Next week is March break. We're officially going into March break. So, you know, auntie duty calls. I gotta go visit the youngins. I also need to go and ship Pine and Ginger's prize. Shout out to Pine and Ginger. She won March's giveaway for my members only giveaway. Thank you to everyone who has joined my memberships. I super appreciate you guys. And yeah, April's winner is just around the corner. That'll be announced soon as well. I forgot to show you one more thing I ordered, guys. A laundry basket. Why did it come in this skinny ass envelope? Like, what? So obviously I downsized quite a bit. My room is small. I used to, at my old house, keep my laundry bin in the closet, but now I have a much smaller closet. So my laundry basket now will pretty much be like viewable outside of a closet. So I wanted to get a cute one. I just didn't expect it to come flat packed. I'm nervous. Okay. We'll see what's about to happen next. Okay. Okay. Guys, what is going on? A laundry bin with directions is crazy. Place the base at the bottom of the basket. Oh, okay. It's coming together. This is actually so small though. I guess this will encourage me to do laundry more often though. Insert the metal rim at the top. Guys, is this too small for a laundry basket? Insert the cover, insert the fabric bag over the basket. Oh, this. Okay, it's actually kind of cute. Hold on. And then, oh, here's the lid. Okay, so here is my new laundry basket, guys. It's smaller than I thought, but it is cute. And it will look okay, I guess, just being out in the open. So I'll just have to do laundry more often. Anyways, also Amazon, link down below. I think this would also be good for like a baby, a baby hamper. Because their clothes are so small, right? You guys, should I keep or return? Let me know. I really need to clean this mirror. But anyways, outfit of the day. Track pants and wearing my little Beyonce shirts. Here I am. So like I mentioned before, I think I'm gonna go spend the day with the nieces, hang out there, and you know what? I'll deal with putting the place together tomorrow or maybe later tonight, depending how much energy I have.
Welcome to our house.
Where are my babies?
Chloe's crying.
Oh, the baby's happy. Girl, where have you been all my life? You guys, look how tall Charlie is. Come over here.
Hello.
What? Oh my goodness, you're like barely a head above me. Wow.
You're a shorty. See, Auntie's a shorty.
Auntie's a shorty.
Look at my big girl.
You want to go on camera? Auntie, go say hi to
I
Auntie.
haven't seen you in so long.
Go say hi to Auntie.
You gonna say hi?
Say hi. You know, you want to... Okay, come.
You wanna stay with Auntie Half and say hi?
You say hi.
Wait, where are you?
You say hi.
You're backlit.
Can you blow kisses? Can you give a kiss? Go kiss me. Mwah. Hi.
Nice
Say
girl.
Hi, Coco. Hi.
hello.
Oh wow, good job.
Chloe, say don't give up.
Say, don't give up.
She's like,
my
excuse
big
me.
girl.
Today, Chloe's gonna sing you the alphabet. Chloe, sing A, B, C, D. Yeah, okay, bye. Hi.
Okay, what do you guys have to say now?
So
Make it
Chloe
count.
wants to say the ABC. Chloe, sing A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Bye, bye. Bye.
She said all you're getting is G from her today.
Yeah, she's not that good at the ABCs.
That was a good job, Coco. Wow.
It really wasn't.
What is he even saying?
I'm a photographer.
Are you?
I'm gonna show them from the kitchen. Mom, say hi.
Hey, buddy. So pretty. This is French toast casserole, guys. It's one of Sharice's specialties. We got turkey bacon and some fruits.
Dum 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 dum.
Brunch is served. It's later. Look who came to visit! Who are you? Shyla. Look, guys, look how gigantic this girl is. She's so big. She's a big girl.
Yeah.
Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Say, how are you?
I'm good.
Oh, you're good? Tell them what you did today.
As you play,
You played? What else?
I put this on top of there. This I think this in the car.
Oh, you're looking at the cars? Yeah.
And the car you go turn around.
And the cars turn around. She wants to show you the cars. You're showing them all of where I live, bro?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see the book. I need to put.
And she got a hair appointment with Hair by Half.
Look,
Auntie
this.
Half did your hair?
Look, this.
Yeah, I know.
It's some cars. 1 car, 2 cars, 6 cars, 7 cars, 8 cars.
8 cars?
Yeah.
Wow.
Blueberries.
That's not a blueberry. I was just wondering if I could get my birthday gift.
Sure, yeah. Can you save your phone number right here?
Yeah, sure.
Look, the new one.
Ooh, facial spray. Blush care. No, I don't want that one.
So our total today is gonna be 148.03. You're just gonna need that.
Skincare, right? I'll try this one.
That one?
Yeah. Is that okay? Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Hashtag free Palestine. Today I'm just having a single child free auntie day. I'm out with the roomie. Sup? Just came outside to shoot the shit, grab some coffees. I went to Sephora to get my free birthday gift. I'm accepting gifts all month long, girl, so you know, hit me up. So they had 3 options. They had an option by Glossier, which was, it was like a blush and something else, but like it's always white people colors, so I didn't bother with that. The second option was by Tower 28. It was a facial spray and then a lip product. But I decided to go with this because I've never tried Dr. Dennis Gross, and it's all skincare. So this was my little free birthday gift. It comes with, what do I got? a daily peel, a blur repair cream, and a fill repair serum. Excited! So maybe tonight I'll just do a little facial. And right now I'm at the post office. Pine and Ginger, I love you, girl. I'm so sorry for the delay, but I stopped and got some envelopes, so they're padded, so I can mail off your prize. So let's see what she got. Shout out to all my members. For those of you who don't know, I do have memberships on my channel, which is a paid subscription for exclusive content. And the highest, where is her gift? Hold on, y'all. I know it's in here. Oh, there's another one. Okay.
Oh,
Here we go.
Peanut and Ginger.
Right?
Oh, she fancy, y'all.
The highest level gets entered into a monthly draw, and they get a gift from me. So, Pine and Ginger got some YSL goodies.
Jeez.
Bags. She got the Make Me Blush, bold blurring blush in Make Me Blush. And she also got the YSL Plumping Lip Oil in Stardust Love. And I'm gonna send this all the way to Jamaica for you, girl. I wish I could actually jump in here and just like send myself with it, but another time. I have a pair of glasses for you, but they don't fit in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send this to you, and then I'm also gonna send you a gift card to TonyDaily.com. So shout outs to you. Let me go mail this off. Success. Pine and Ginger, your package has been sent off. I'm gonna email you as well. I sent it by air, but no tracking, so just be on the lookout for it. It should be about 10 to 14 business days, and you'll get your little package, and I'll send you your gift card by email. It was actually not expensive to send to Jamaica, you know.
I believe that because
Yeah.
it's not US and it's
Yeah.
US.
Also, thank you for providing me 2 options for addresses, because it's crazy that now it's cheaper for me to ship to Jamaica than it is to ship to the US because of Trump's lovely tariffs. But we're not going to talk about that, man.
Forget about that.
So yeah, what do you want to do now for Auntie Day? Single Auntie Day. The world's our oyster. There's a jewelry store right here. We could go buy some gold.
I mean, I'm down to get some gold.
Yeah? Should we go look? Guys, we just remembered that it's St. Patty's Day. So we cut our shopping short, and then we're like, wait a minute, it's St. Patty's Day. We have to go to the bar. So yeah, I'm at the bar. About to have a little green beer. Just kidding. I'm not gonna have green beer, but I am gonna have a beer. So cheers. Happy Patty's Day. Cheers, guys. It's so full.
You know what I just realized I could have had?
What?
Your wings, bro.